Mentagasi ke khatwetrik unai wing ke terat social welfare ke Sarkar Meghalaya, kalau Pynlong ya ke jingiamir jingmut halor ke phang banyada na ki jingsha thambor jong ki kynthei bat ki khynnah ha kani ke jilla Meghalaya ya ke jingyalang le Pynlong State Convention Center Shillong ha ke ba ki long kmi na kaleng kilawan bani shimbenta ha ke jingkran ke kong Yaman Langs Im chairperson ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women ha ke jingkran ke jongka kala kedau Babon ki khap habaki khot ban yakren ya ki arliang kynthei bat shinrang habadan ke jingya pat yapra bon selu shinrang ong ba umdan ke kam ka babyang kani kabu ya ki jingya ya ki kynthei de na kani kadaw ba ki ju hikai ban penjalan ke yakun.
Let me start with that. We have a lot of complaints and grievances of women, and we can kind of categorize them more or less into those who seek for maintenance, many single mothers, as you're aware, and those who separated. It's really a sad affair because more and more women are coming from maintenance. So you can imagine that there are more single mothers and separated parents, and children are the ones who suffer. So then even that also can be a challenge, because many times when we try to resolve these cases of maintenance, many of the partners would say that we don't have a proper job. That is very challenging to us, because how are they going to maintain the children and to give? They say we don't have a proper job, so many of them are seasonal workers and all that. So this is one of the challenges for women. That's why we always have these awareness programs also, to try to ask women to have to be empowered enough to space the children, because the more children, the more challenging it becomes.
Ha ke jingkran ke Agatha ke sangma ke chairperson ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Children's Right kalong bau menteri rang ba ke jela udan ke jing saukhia ba dena kani kadaw ulshim halade ban sedang ya ka kom kani ke jingiamir jingmut bat kom ka commission ke thong jongki kalong ban yadai ke khynnah na do bal sedang ya ka commission house name arhajar khatsau.
Women and children, our Honorable Chief Minister took upon himself to start this consultation with the various stakeholders, because of which we are here today, and I would like to thank him from the bottom of my heart for really taking this as a very serious issue. As a commission, we have been working and we've been committed to protecting children from 2014 since inception, and the functions of the commission has been at doing various things. For instance, we function as a court. We have to submit annual reports to the state government.
Ba poleng do MLA nong ai but jong ke Sarkar habakran kumukongsan ulong ba ai kani ka jingalang kabalalong mentagasi kan long na kabenta banyada ya ki hok jong ki kynthei bat ki khynnah kum ki nong yalam kilayale banyada ya ka hok jong ki.
We've said so far, and whatever we're going to say in the interactive session, we have to ensure that we work at all, that we actually see to the realization of whatever we are speaking here today. All that we see around us began as a concept, as an idea, as a thought. The chairs we sit on, the furniture around us, the all that we see around us starts as an idea. But to take that idea forward, the concept has to be executed. I therefore look forward to seeing that today's deliberations will meet a logical end, which is that we take this fight for the protection of women's and children's right to their logical end. We have demonstrated as a political leadership a keen interest to ensure that we reach out and maximize the protection of women's and child's rights. The fact that the last meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, which also saw a 4-hour deliberation with a lot of you also being present. That meeting was on the 16th of October, and today, in less than a month, we are here again to take the deliberations and the plan of action forward. There is a saying that there are 3 categories of people here on earth. There are people who make things happen. There are people who watch things happen. And there are people who don't know what's happening. Now, we should ask ourselves, which of these categories do we belong to?